Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by orienting the box so you can read its faces. This matters because alignment controls internal links. Feel each seam and map glyph groupings aloud as you go. Once done, hold the largest face and test small lateral pressure. Gentle sliding reveals 0, 5 to 1 mm play and hidden catches. Be patient. Forcing causes lock shifts. Make sure to stabilize the box on a flat surface and avoid tools that alter tension, because subtle play is the clue to the next move. You now establish a working sequence by tracing glyph order and toggling panels in groups. The why is that internal linkages respond to staged inputs. Alternate pressure, press, then pull, using 2 to 3 millisteps per face. This prevents binding and lets one latch reset while another releases. Once you hear faint clicks, pause and count intervals because timing matters. Synchronize the next set of toggles to those auditory cues. If a face resists, back off and repeat the prior micro-sequence more slowly. You reach the finish when the center panel sits perfectly flush. That alignment releases the last internal catch. Apply even upward force and lift slowly. Sudden jerks can shift internal pins back into place. If the lid resists, do not force it. Reverse the last 2 steps, reset the previous face positions, and repeat the successful micro-sequence more deliberately. Troubleshooting. If nothing responds, slow the tempo by half and listen for soft clicks. Timing, not force, is the key to a safe, clean resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.